Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic earphones with the model number RP-BTS10 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones are not pairing with Bluetooth, or they're not syncing or connecting to your device, or if they keep disconnecting, if they're not making sound, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the other reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to delete all of the pairing information off of it for whatever reason so that you can set them up as a new set of earphones like they're just coming out of the box. We can do that really easily. Now we want to make sure our battery's charged because we need to have enough battery to do this reset. But then all we're going to do is press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds like you would normally do to put it in pairing mode. And then that will start the searching for Bluetooth devices to connect. So then you can release the power button, and then you're going to come in and you're going to press and hold the volume up and the volume down, or the plus and minus buttons, for 6 seconds at least simultaneously while it's in that Bluetooth searching mode. And then the LED will blink blue fast, and that indicates that it has been reset. You can release it and go ahead and set your earphones up as a new set of earphones.